Hello! So, here are Scottish donuts being lovingly cut by hand with the newly repaired donut cutter. It needs a bit of a sand because I don't seem to have got the inside and outside holes to line up perfectly flat at the base, so they don't quite cut it out properly. But as you see, you cut them out one at a time, give them a done, they fall out the donut cutter, and then you pick the holes out, pan them up, and then you get ready for the next stage, which is coming up. Here's a half a pan of them. So, next stage is me loading them onto wires and then dunking them into a deep fat fryer. The oil we use is, well, it's palm oil. It never used to be called palm oil, it just used to be called frying fat, which made me feel slightly better about orangutans, but now they've actually called it palm oil. Don't feel so great about it now. But, hey, it might not even be palm oil. They might have just called it that. Anyway, you give them 1 minute, flip them over. I use a fork because, well, it's the easiest thing I've found so far. It's also much easier when you're not holding a camera at the same time and trying to flip them. Because I wasn't sure whether I should be looking through the camera or actually looking and paying attention to what I was doing. But anyway, you flip them all over and then give them another minute in the hot oil. Let them all swim about and bubble and try not to splash yourself because it really hurts when you splash yourself. Once it's done, you take them out, and obviously it's easier with two hands. You coat them in sugar, but hey, one-handed in a camera, you get the idea. Coat them in sugar, and ta-da! You've got a whole pan of sugar Scottish coated donuts.